Go.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Fish teacher.
Okay, so first that you're going to do, wait, Nanay will teach you. This one, wait, Nanay's gonna plug it first. Wait, look, listen ha, the child should not plug this. You should let the adults plug it, okay? Okay?
11 more left.
11 more. Okay, so you open it. And then, you can now put 4 fish sticks.
How about 5? I'm just joking.
It's alright. Put it flat on the surface. 4 is enough. 5 is too much. You will not have. How many is that?
5.
Okay. And then you have to fix it. Fix it. Put it separately.
Like this?
Yeah. No. Just all straight. All straight.
All straight.
You can put it all straight like that. Go.
All straight.
And then you do it. Oh, there. And then one. Fix this one.
How to?
That's okay. You can just keep it there. Yes. Okay. And then you can close it now.
Chicken nuggets.
No, it's fish.
Oh.
Make sure that it's closed.
Yucky.
No. Yeah, make sure that it's closed. See there. And then you put this one to number 10. Number 10.
10.
Yes, babe. Alright, then you will have to wait for the bell and then ta-da!
Doo-doo. I said doo-doo. Keep the cell phone here. So when it's burning.
Oh! It will take a long time.